Hello everyone. We are going to start with this chapter, Sources of Food. And this chapter is in the syllabus for class 6th. So, all the students out there, you can take help from this video. Okay, so what we're going to start with is what is the definition of food? Now, you know that you people eat food every day, and food is a substance which gives you energy and keeps your body in good health, right? So you can see the definition of food written here, that it is a substance which gives you energy and keeps your body in good health. So whatever you're eating is actually is categorized as food. Now, what are the functions of food? See, the first function is to provide energy and warmth to your body. Um, any food or any dish that you eat, it actually provides you energy and gives warmth to your body, and it helps for the growth and development. It helps to overcome wear and tear. What do you mean by wear and tear now? See, you might have seen, when you play, and sometimes if you fall down, you get a scratch or you get a wound. So, in order to heal the wound, you actually need the food. Okay, so yeah, this was the third point. Then the fourth point is to remain fit and healthy and to protect our body from diseases. um, you are already aware that in this COVID time, you are advised by the doctors that you should eat vitamin C rich food. So, actually, what they're trying to tell you is that the food that you eat is actually helping you to fight from a lot of diseases. Okay, so you can just see the functions and see the definition of food from this slide. Okay. Now, the next thing. So, you already know that there are a lot of food items that are available and which you can eat. If you are living in a particular state, you have a particular dish or a food item which is very famous in that state. Like for example, in Jammu and Kashmir, people eat meat, vegetables, and because it's really cold out there, so they drink kahwa. So these are the food items which are specific to us, to a particular state, which is Jammu and Kashmir. You can find out the food items that are famous in your state. Okay. Now, the next topic is ingredients. See, there are various items that are used to prepare a dish. For example, if you are making rice, see, if you are making rice, you need water, you need oil, or you need salt, right? So these are all the things which are used to prepare a dish, and that is why they are called ingredients. Like I'll give you another example. For example, if you are preparing vegetable curry, right? So this vegetable curry requires vegetables, spices, salt, oil, etc. These items which are used to prepare the vegetable curry, they are known as ingredients. Okay, so ingredients are the items which are required to prepare a dish. Now, there are two sources from where you get the ingredients to make the food. What are the two sources? The two sources are plants and animals, right? So you get some sources of food from plants and some sources of food from animals. So this is what our next topic is, that I will tell you what are the food that are obtained from plants. Okay, so if you see around you, or if you observe your parents cooking at home, you will see that they use a lot of ingredients to prepare a particular dish, right? So we'll start with the food items which are obtained from plants. First one is cereals. You Not the cereals that you watch, the cereals that you eat. So the cereals that you eat are rice and wheat, And you can see maize, millets. These are also the important cereals which are eaten in our country. Then comes the next, another food item which is obtained from plants, which are pulses, right? So you can see pulses here. You might have seen your mother prepare a lot of different type of pulses, like she might be preparing pea, bean, kidney bean, green gram, black gram, etc. And these are all very rich source of protein. So yeah, so pulses are the food items which are obtained from plants. Then comes fruits and vegetables, which you all relish, right? The fruits that you can see around you are apple, mango, and uh, grapes, banana. These are all the fruits. And then the vegetables, which you can see here, capsicum. You see and eat other vegetables like potato, onion, cabbage, lady's finger, etc. Okay. So we have covered three food items here which are obtained from plants. Now we'll jump on to the next slide. Yeah, so we have covered three food items: cereals, pulses, fruits, and vegetables here. Then we'll jump on to the next slide, which will give you other food items like oil. So you know that in your household various type of oils are used, like for example mustard oil or groundnut oil or sunflower oil. So you get oil also from plants. See, oil provides you with warmth and energy. And if you see vegetable oil, you can ask your elders to show you the vegetable oil. This oil is actually extracted from the seeds. Okay. Then comes the next food item, which is sugar. Right, sugar is extracted from sugarcane, and jaggery, which is called gur in Hindi, is actually obtained from the sugarcane juice. So this jaggery and sugar, they're both very good sources of energy, right? Then comes the spices. So spices are the food ingredients which are um, obtained from the various parts of a plant. You can see coriander, black pepper, cardamom, chili. These are all the spices that are used to prepare the food, and they give very good flavor and color and taste to the food. Then comes the beverages. Now, beverages like tea and coffee, they are the most common beverages which are consumed all over the world. And tea is actually obtained from tea leaves. It is obtained from tea leaves, and coffee is obtained from coffee beans, right? So these are all the food items which we have learned about, which you get from the plants. Now, the next topic that we have is that there are various plant parts that you eat as food. Now, you can see that there are some stems of the plants that you eat as food. For example, you can see the stems that you eat as food. They are potato, onion, ginger, garlic. Then there are roots. Roots like radish, carrot, turnip. These are the roots of the plant that you eat. Then comes the leaves. Leaves like lettuce, spinach, fenugreek. These are the leaves that you eat of a plant. Then there are seeds. Seeds like wheat, maize, kidney beans, mustard. These are the seeds of a plant that you eat. Then flowers like broccoli, cauliflower. You eat the flowers of these plants. Okay, then you eat the fruits like apple, mango, guava, plum. So these are all the fruits that you eat. And then there is this bud, which is clove. Clove is a bud that you eat. And this slide actually covered the parts which you eat. So these are the parts of the plant that is actually a source of food for you. Okay. So with this, I end the first video.